In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the whole process of how I achieved this beautiful, chocolatey, gorgeous brunette. I'm going to be showing you guys the toning process, the glossing process, and the formula, so stay tuned. If you haven't seen this video right here, make sure to pause this one, go back and watch it because it shows the whole bleaching process. For this whole toning process, I'm going to be using the Wella Koleston Perfect and the Wella Wellexon Perfect Developer. For my money piece roots, I'm using 1 part 30 and 2 part 537. For my base and to create Lowlight, I'm using equal parts 737 and 537. And then for my ends and money piece, I'm using equal parts 738 and 773. I'm going to go ahead and start with my face framing highlight, aka money piece. What I'm doing right here, I'm applying the base, the root to the money piece. So this is just going to cancel out any warm tones you might have while bleaching the wig. You know, the colored transition from black to blonde, that warm tangy orangey tone, we're trying to eliminate that so that we can have a nice transition from dark to brown. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to move over to my base color. If you're confused, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm applying a darker tone to the root of the rest of the wig. That is my second formula, like that I explained at the beginning of the video. This is what it's going to do. It's going to again eliminate any warm tones, any brassiness that was there from bleaching the wig to blonde. So this is going to eliminate that. It's going to bring it back to black essentially. So what I'm doing is I'm controlling where my highlights stop and where my black tones begin. So I'm going in with the dark with my first formula, which is the roots shade, and then I'm going in with my last one, which is the highlights tone, which is the brightest tone. I'm going to follow that up through the mids and the ends. To further blend it, make sure you go in with a comb or use your fingers to proper massage where the transition tones are. You want to make sure that you have both tones blended. If not, the wig is going to look patchy. We don't want that. For the purpose of the video, I went ahead to apply my money paste on. Usually I would probably finish the whole wig and then go in with my money paste on because I want to keep it as bright as I can. But for the purpose of this video, I did a quarter at the back and I'm showing you guys how I'm applying the money paste on. You can do this before or after, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure that whatever tone you're using is not too dark because you still want that brightness, you know, around the face. It just helps. I love a money paste. I love a money paste. I love it. It just helps frame the face more. It just gives this polished look. Anytime I'm going for highlights or ombre or some type of balayage, I always make sure that the face framing is framing. Like I just want the face framing to be bright. Leave a comment section if you're like this as well, or you just go in with an ombre. You don't really focus on face framing highlights. Once you are done with the application, make sure to process the wig for around 20 to 30 minutes. And then I followed with a neutralizing shampoo. I washed the wig like 2 or 3 times till the water runs clear. For my gloss, I use the Wella Shinefinity in caramel glaze. and I mixed it with the Wella Shinefinity Activator. Make sure to apply this thoroughly. Apply this on the whole wig from the roots to the ends. What this does is going to give the wig a beautiful shine. It's going to give it a gloss, and it's going to seal the cuticle as well, because we've bleached, we've toned, the cuticle is open. So this is going to make sure to finish the whole process. Think about gloss as, you know, your setting spray to your makeup. Once it is done, you want to rinse. No shampoo, just rinse and follow with any conditioning treatment of your choice. I use OGX and I followed with Moroccan oil, argan oil. I let it air dry. I think this is like the third day. And then I went in with some face framing layers, as we always do, some big curls. I'm so happy the way the wig turned out. I love the highlights, I love the tones, the gloss on this wig is insane, guys. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.